welcome to 1215 Green Oaks Lane, Unit F. A two-story, two-bedroom, one-and-a-half bathroom condo in the Williamsburg on Commonswell community in Charlotte, North Carolina. For more information or to schedule a viewing, please visit our website at www.touchpointpm.com. The first floor has an open concept plan. The kitchen includes a breakfast bar, granite countertops, a pantry, and all stainless steel appliances. Next, we have the great room area. Great space with ceiling fans. You will find these beautiful exposed brick walls in the living room and also in the bedrooms. A backyard patio, fully enclosed with a storage room. A half bathroom. This home is conveniently located near Uptown, Veterans Park, and dining spots. Up to the second floor. To the left, we have the first bedroom. Great space. A shared bathroom in the hall with ample vanity space and shower tub combo. Laundry closet is conveniently on the second floor. Washer and dryer are included. And lastly, we have the second bedroom. Great space as well. Come and make this your new home. Make it a great day.